Hey everyone, thank you and welcome back to my channel. This is a mini repot. We're getting ready for the holidays and I just wanted to relax and repot some plants, some cuttings that I have been sitting around in some water, and an Anthurium that I got on a Mercari haul. It's a seedling, but I need to add some more sphagnum moss to it. The link for the video can be found in my playlist. Once again, as you know, I like to start with an affirmation. Oh, but here you see is when I first got the plant. They are actually Anthurium Bakeri. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. So the affirmation we're going to start off with today is going to be a random one, the first one that I see on my I Am app. Cheers. I am not defined by my past. I am driven by my future. So what you see me doing here, I'm not going to do nothing special. I'm just going to pop it out of its old pot. I think this is like a maybe a 2-inch vessel that it came in with. First it was filled with filled halfway, then I just took the vessel and added some more sphagnum moss just to promote growth. At this point I decided to put it into, I don't know what size this is. I had some old Starbucks cups, so I'm just going to be using those to pop it into. Here I'm just loosening up the sphagnum moss and looking at the root system. I already have some sphagnum moss prepared on the side. Oh, and I also wanted to note that as I evolve with this, I think I maybe have one more voiceover video, and then I'm going to be transitioning to just regular old speaking. I'm getting more comfortable with, I guess, filming my videos, and I guess I'm ready for the next step. And as always, if you find anything useful with my content, like, comment, and subscribe. I will be pollinating some anthuriums. Hopefully they produce berries, so that's going to be a video that'll be coming up soon. That one's going to take a while. I have some shorts on the process, probably already up by the time you see this video. So I'm just backfilling my fancy Starbucks cup with sphagnum moss. The goal is progress over perfection, which is true here, especially with dealing with plants, dealing with people, especially with starting a YouTube channel. So here I have a picture-in-picture for you to get a better look of what it is that I'm doing. I am sure of who I am. I am sure of where I am going. And I have faith in the process of life. Those look really good to me. And I can't wait until they get out the seedling stage and start getting bigger. If you check that video out, these were seedlings that was advertised at, let me see, they were supposed to be 10 seedlings, and I got them at a really good price on Mercari. So what I have now are cuttings of Scindapsus Silver Ann, and the Exotica, the small leaves and the large leaves. I wanted to do more, but these cuttings, they really needed to be moved out of this vessel. So I just went ahead and started repotting. I promise you that that self-watering pot I have right there is not dirty. I just wanted to make sure I had enough soil that was ready. And with my soil mix, I use, I think it's, what kind of soil is it? It's a succulent soil. I think it's by Miracle-Gro. Orchid bark, perlite, charcoal, and for these cuttings, I added a little bit of, I can't remember what it's called. It begins with a V, I don't know, someone in the parent community, please let me know what it's called. I can't remember right now off the top of my head. But I added all that into my soil mix, and I chose to put these in soil versus, I guess, leca or pond, is because I already have some growing in leca and pond on a moss pole in my front room. So I just wanted to see the difference of how the same plants would grow in a different medium. So I'm just filling my self-watering pot, which I kind of like these pots. First of all, I like how they're just clean and simple. Just a basic white, basic shape. I either get the square, I guess you can call it, rectangular, squarish type pot, or the round one, so it doesn't compete with whatever decor I have going on in my home. So that's what I'm aiming towards. I'm not trying to be so bland, but at the same time, I want the plants to be like the artwork are what makes my home different and unique. And I just feel like if you have all these colorful pots along with whatever else you got going on in your home, it's just too much. So I'm just sticking with white vessels or clear vessels for me. I have some older vessels with colors, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I'm not gonna throw them away. I'm gonna find ways to use them. But as for my downstairs area, I'm leaning towards mainly white and clear vessels. So I'm just backfilling the pot now, and it's nothing really special or unique about this process. Just repotting plants to me, it's relaxing, like just working and everyday life. You're just constantly going and thinking and absorbing everything around you. It's just, for me, it's all about de-stressing and just being happy, relaxed. This is definitely for me like a moment in life that I'll probably cherish, and I hope that it calmed you down some or made you smile in some kind of way. See, look at that. And I'm definitely putting this in a hanging basket in my front room. I'm proud of it, and I'll fill it in more as time goes on with more cuttings. And as always, a big thank you from Honey and I. Like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you. Happy holidays.